Hey, what do you think about this box at the mall? I'm sure you've probably seen it not just here but across the malls in the country and wondered what it's actually for. Well, since you are here, we did some digging and here is all you need to know about this. Hey, what's up, Wazz here? So we'll be looking at what this is, how to use it, availability, locations, and the pricing, which I know most of you are interested in. So first of all, this is one of 5 LocQar stations available across most of the malls in this region, actually, Greater Accra region. So we are at the Achimota Retail Center. This is the LocQar station at the Achimota Retail Center. There's one at the Accra Mall, Junction Mall, West Hills Mall, and then the Kotoka International Airport. This is a smart delivery package. This is a smart package delivery and pickup system where I can just come and drop off an item and then someone comes to pick it up within a stipulated time. It's safe and reliable, and I mean it's not available to just us private users, but then available to businesses as well. And since what we basically do on this channel is reviews, I think it would be fair to review the features of this LocQar station. Okay, so from the look of this, obviously you can see there are lockers of different sizes. We have a small size, medium, large, and then an extra large at the bottom. So for whatever item you have, it's most likely to go into any of these. Second thing is this is powered by not by ECG, please. We can't afford that charges. It's fully powered by solar. Everything here is powered by the sun. The LocQar station, the CCTVs, the lamps that brighten this place up, everything is fully powered by the sun. Third thing is this is actually supposed to be more affordable and less cheaper than your average or your regular courier services. So whatever courier service you know, Shanzi and the rest of them, this is actually supposed to be cheaper than cheaper than all that. Okay, so let's look at how to access LocQar. So there are many ways to do it. One is to download the app, which is available in the App Store on iOS, and then the Play Store on Android. And then also the website. They have a website which you can also access LocQar, their services from there. And there's a WhatsApp number, which I think is here. You just send hi to this number, and then they would you move on from there. So taking the app, actually, let's just go through that one. So you select which you want, if it's drop off or requesting delivery. They do have that, which we'll talk about after how to use this. So I select the drop off location and I'm at the Achimota Mall, and all I do is just select the Achimota Mall. The next is you go to the receiver's phone number. Give me your phone number. So after entering the phone number, you select the box size. Depending on what item or the size of the item you're going to put into the LocQar, you select the appropriate size. So for now, I have the pin which is sent to me through SMS, and I'll have to just enter it here, and then I'll get access to one of the large boxes. So just to add up to it, immediately I drop off my item and close the LocQar. Delppy or whoever the pickup guy is going to get a message, also an SMS message, giving him a pin to come to wherever it is he's going to do the pickup, and then enter that pin into the LocQar station and then have access to whatever item I dropped off for him. One interesting thing about this is when you come for pickup, you do not spend much time here. Look, we've tested it so many times, and according to LocQar themselves, you spend at most 7 seconds. You spend less than 10 seconds when you come here for a pickup. All you need to do is come, enter, select pickup, enter your pin. A box opens, the box with your item in it opens up. You pick your item. All that is less than 10 seconds. That's amazing. Interesting. And one of the most beautiful things about this LocQar station. So some of the benefits you get using LocQar is you can drop off an item here for pickup for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, you think of where is my item going to go after 24 hours? I don't know. That's one of the things I don't know, but then I'm just kidding. So after 24 hours, it attracts a penalty. It attracts additional charges. So in addition to whatever you've paid for keeping your item here within 24 hours for pickup, you do get additional charges after 24 hours. Now, second thing is you can, if you can't pick it up yourself, you can request for delivery or courier service. They do have that as well. So they will get someone to come take your item and bring it over to you wherever it is you want them to do that. And also, lastly, you can do station to station delivery. So which is you drop off an item here at the Achimota Retail Center LocQar station and have it taken to, say, maybe Kotoka International Airport's LocQar station, or the Accra Mall LocQar station, or wherever it is that there is a LocQar station. So about the pricing, since we are still in their promotional period, from now till December 2021, this just next month, it's going to be free for whatever it is. I mean, on their website, it actually states that it's 5 cities, but we just tried it a couple of times, and I mean, we're in charge a dime. So I guess it's going to be free from now till December 2022. But then after December, so 31st December, which is January 1st, 2022, you'll be charged based on the size of LocQar. One thing I do know on their website, which an image will be displayed actually for you to see right now, the smallest size costs 5 cedis. You can just pause the video or take a screenshot or whatever it is going to do, and that is it. So that's pretty much it. This is LocQar, one of the 5 LocQar stations, like I said. If you'd like to see a video or part 2 of this, sitting down with Godwin himself, which is the CEO of LocQar, just give us a like, comment in the comment section below, and yeah, I'm Wazz. Subscribe, like the video, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Please mask off. I mean, I've inhaled all the COVID here, but then still mask off. Bye.